Veera, you are on mute. Did you start the class?
Sorry. Have started. Sorry.
Just wondering.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Sorry.
Yeah.
Thanks, Balaji. Thank you. Thanks a lot. In the yesterday's session, we have discussed about the Power BI, SQL, Power BI application, and PostgreSQL database. In that, how SQL will be, we have seen, and also Excel part, like how, and Excel also we have seen the charts. How we will prepare chart, that I have shown you, and in Power BI also chart. But the difference between the two is that Power BI is somewhat advanced version of the Excel. Both are from Microsoft only, but Power BI is advanced version of the Excel. In the same way, and their interactiveness will be there, more interactiveness will be there in Power BI, and also cloud kind of thing is an added advantage for the Power BI for the people who were using Power BI. Okay, so these things we have seen in the yesterday's class, and also we have not seen about the Python and starts use cases, and Python where exactly we will code. Is there anything to install, or else like is there any online resource for this part? Okay, that. So normally in Python part, let's go for the Python part. Python, and normally everywhere if you see statistics, the institutes were teaching complete statistics, complete stats, everyone have learned, everyone you were aware of that particular stats in inter and 10th class itself, that kind of mathematics only here also. But where exactly it is used, stats use cases, here we'll be going with stats use case. Okay, keep aside that. Okay, fine. Projects for the data analyst. So the projects which we were going to discuss is the real-time projects on the previously which we have done, but not on the live data itself. Why? Because like live data, no one is going to share their live data. Live project, no one will going to share their live projects and live data itself. It's a crime. It's a crime. So normally if you see steps which we learn in this course, the data and data analyst will works on different kinds of domains, different kinds of data, pharmaceutical data, transportation data, hotel bookings data, whatever industry is there, whatever if you see business, whatever business you see, data analysts deals with different kinds of domains, diversified domains, different industries like retail, whatever you see outside, whatever business you see, data analysts were there for that particular businesses. Every business, every domain, the data analyst will be there. The steps which we learn in this course, is more than enough. The data domain knowledge we have to gain. Suppose how to target. Suppose if you have the, if you're here, if suppose if you have done, suppose one of the project is from the transportation, logistics, and one is like hotel bookings. If you have deal with these two data sets, suppose if you have gone with these two data sets, you can ask me then, no need to worry about the retail industry data. No need to worry about this. The steps will be different. Data cleaning, pre-processing, and taking that file to the Power BI atmosphere, everything will be same. Just you have to be cautious with the domain knowledge. Suppose if these two data sets related companies job description is there, means you can easily, you'll be having grip on the transportation related columns and hotel bookings related columns somewhat. Okay, but if suppose for the retail industry data set is there, retail industry data is there and job description is related to the retail industry, you have to, while before applying it, you have to be, you have to prepare your resume in a way like to target that particular job description, showcasing the project like in retail kind of thing. The columns you have to study only the domain knowledge is the difference. Only the difference is, only the difference is domain knowledge. That's it. Apart from this, apart from this, everything is same. No need to worry about this. HR analytics is different, retail analytics is different, and chemical analytics is different, and this hotel analytics is different. Nowadays, people were calling this also, and few companies were promoting this in HR analytics. HR analytics, data analyst only. HR analytics is nothing but people who were working on, people who were working on HR related stuff. That's it. That is not any, that is not an differ from this data analytics. Analytics is same, just the data is different. HR analytics means HR, data analytics means complete HR or transportation or hotel or anything, whatever is data analytics. HR analytics means related to the HR stuff, HR, people who are working on HR related stuff. That is nothing but HR analytics. People who were learning in HR analytics is, they were HR people were mainly learning about this HR analytics, but they don't know that, that just only everything is same. Only difference is they're working on the HR data set. That's it. The data set is HR related data set. HR related stuff, HR data set. The columns will be like attrition rate, how many leaves employee have taken, this all thing. That HR related stuff. Okay. Different kinds of data and different kinds of stuff will be there in this data analytics. Okay. Clear about this. And also we'll come into the resume also, like we won't prepare at the end part, will be like will be guiding you guys to have different kinds of resume to target the different job description. That also we will see. Okay, now let's come to the let's come to the let's come to the Python and stats use cases. People were most probably Python, we know, programming language we know, but in the complete IT, in complete entire in the whole IT, one language is the easy language, one language is there, one easy language is there, one easy programming language is there, that is nothing but Python. Easy to write, easy to code, comparing to C, C++, Java, multiple lines of code in that all languages. Why only Python for the data analytics and data science means, why only Python for the, why only Python for analytics, data science and AI means, why only means Python having n number of libraries. Libraries means, for example, this notepad is designed for writing. This notepad is designed for writing some stuff, right? In the same way, if I take my this, if I take this, this design for writing on the screen. This design for writing on the screen, and for this separate writing pad will be there. Writing pad will be there. It is very difficult to write with this on the direct screen with hands. In few laptops, like it is an option available, like touchscreen laptops, we can write directly on the screen. It is a feature. How that feature is there? In the same way, library is also like making task easier. Making task easier. Making, one second. Library is also for making task easier. Easier. Without these libraries, if it is going to take, if it is going to take more than more than more than like 6 or 7 lines, with these libraries, it's reducing the lines for 1 or 2. 10 lines of code, these libraries were making to 1 or 2 lines. That's it. So if you see Python and its libraries, here we'll be discussing about the important libraries: NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, C1. And also in Python, we can see the visualization also, how we have seen here, how we have seen in the Power BI. In the Python, we can see the visualization also. That I'll show you. And the file, the CSV file also I'll show you, which I'll take that file into this Python atmosphere. See, one second. One second. Suppose this is the data set. Suppose this is the data set. See, what kind of operations we will do means, just see, I'll take this to the, one second, I'll stop sharing from my some personal information. One second, I'll stop, I'll share one second. I'll show you guys. One second, no worries. Okay, I'll share no worries. See, suppose I'm creating new folder. See here, right click, more, collaboratory. Here we'll be doing this from the Google path. And also 2 things we'll be using for the Python part, for data analytics and data science. Normally industry, data science, data analytics, and machine learning products will be done in Jupyter also. Jupyter notebook or Colab. Both look same. Both, if you are going with Colab also, after you install, later you can install this Jupyter. Initially few systems won't support this. If you install this Anaconda Jupyter, it's going to create problem for your system. So my suggestion was like, use online resource Colab. See, now what I'll do, right click, more, if not Google Collaboratory is installed, if not connect more apps, you have to install Google Collaboratory. Google Collaboratory. See now, the same file, this file I'll bring this file into this atmosphere, see, with Python code. This file, see, observe the columns. Passenger, survived, P class, name, sex, age, siblings pouch, parts, ticket, fare, cabin, embarked. See, let's bring this. This is one of the library, Pandas. Pandas is very important for the manipulation part. Pandas is very important library. You guys will love this library also. Literally, I'm saying you can play with this Pandas. Such a good it will be. Okay. See now. File icon. Upload. I'm uploading this Titanic dataset. One second. Titanic dataset. See, I'm uploading this Titanic dataset. Another cell I'm taking. These were called as in cells. Just focus on the, not on this each and every thing. Just focus on the how I'm bringing the file. These all things. Step by step part. While in the classes, we'll anyways we'll see that. Okay. See now. See, df is equal to pd dot copy path. Just to see the how many columns are there. How many rows and how many columns means have to go here. See, dataset को जाके इधर जाके have to go here. See, 891 rows were there. 891 rows were there. How many columns were there? 891 rows. How many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 columns. Columns were there. See the beauty now. Just if I ask this with simple code, 891, 12 rows, sorry, 12 rows it seems. I have to go. One second, I'll show you here. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 guys. 891 rows and 12 columns. Have counted here. Even some I've did some small mistake like level. Again I came above and after counting it 12. With this, after seeing this. This is the beauty of Pandas. What kya ho raha hai data pe? What happening inside the data? It brings up and it puts, it keeps in front of you with just simple code. Only if I want columns. See the columns now. All the columns. Some data sets will like you cannot see the columns also. Like if 20 is there means here you cannot see the columns. Here you can see the columns. And suppose if I want from this particular column, from this particular sex column or like P class column, what unique things means what I want from this particular P class column. How many unique things were there? Unique means suppose in sex column, suppose male and female. If it is remitted also male, female, it ignores that everything. It shows male 10 times, female 20 times. Unique things were male and female. That also we can see just with simple line of code. In Power BI, in the arrow part, like if the data set will be like this, the column will be like this, here the arrow will be there. If you click on this, you can see what exactly inside the data, like 1, 2, 3, 4 in this in Power BI. But here with the simple line of code, df df see now it gives count also. See, 577 male are there, 314 female are there. 577 male and 314 male. Just focus on the code part, like just how it is bringing, how it is bringing. Just a simple line of code. And if you want to see the suppose, and also how the charts will be. Suppose if I want to show you, I'm loading this all libraries. NumPy, Matplotlib, and Seaborn also. I'm going with. Suppose, see, age column. If I target age column, see, these all were there in the age. Among the 891, these were the things. If repeated, non-repeated, also these were the things which were there in the age column. Here, nan you can see nan missing values. How many missing values are there? There in each column, from 12 columns. See, if I go here, it's very difficult for me to count where missing values are there, where missing values are there. From 891, if it is 1 lakh rows, it's very very difficult. Nothing to do, just see, just one small line of code. See, age is having 177 nans. Nans. 687 cabin to embark. Missing values. These were missing values. These were missing values. See, these were missing values. From the dataset. Don't think that we'll discuss everything. Just I'm showing you the beauty of Python. From very scratch we'll discuss. Will not start this. Just libraries I'm saying. Basics of Python 2. Basics of Python 2. Integer, float, boolean, function, for loop, while loop, less comprehension, user input. These all things we'll discuss. After that we'll go for the libraries part. Okay, everything we'll discuss from very scratch. Variables, everything we'll discuss from very scratch. After that we'll go to the libraries, but I want to show you guys the beauty of pandas. That's why I've taken and opened this particular thing and I'm showing. Okay, see, 177. So the rules for, let's see, suppose if I show you rules for this filling, just focus on the how the things are happening with this. अरे इधर तक लेके गया, अरे you have taken us to somewhere else like pandas, not basic part, means ignore that. If I teach ABCD, you guys will think that ABCD everywhere guys were teaching, and also we also know that ABCD it will be in that way. So but what exactly the thing, the beauty of this, you people have to know, right? That's why I want to show this. I'm showing this. See now, here if you see, age column is continuous column. For continuous column we have to see the plotting part. how to fill this missing values, rules for filling the missing values. If I show you rules for filling the missing values, first of all, I have to see the distribution of the data. See, from the Seaborn library, plot, I'm bringing plot. Data distribution plot. The age column is distributed in normal distribution. This graph is a normal distribution graph. Normal distribution graph. If data is normally distributed means we have to fill with mean. Rule is it. Rule. Rules for filling data. Suppose nans means we should not leave this nan. We should not drop this. We should not drop this. If we drop, it doesn't make sense. If we drop, it doesn't make any sense. Why? Because if gold is there, suppose 891 grams, 177 grams where, suppose like in somewhat like not in the polished way means we will throw this, no, we'll polish this. In the same way 177 nans where missing values are there means what we have to do means we have to fill. Rules for filling. Suppose how the rules will be means, here only mean, median will come. Mean. If data is continuous and data is continuous means column is continuous and distribution is normal distribution means we have to fill with mean. Rule is that we have to fill with mean. And how median and what mode? Why median? Why mode? Why mean? These all things. See, I'll show you one filling part. 177 I'll show you. See, df from the age column, this is mean. If you count, mean is like average. Sum of observation, total number of, like suppose total number of observations by, sorry, sum of observations by total number of observations is nothing but mean. Observations divided by total number of observations is nothing but mean. 29. If I fill this, see, just fill now. Just this age and fill is the thing. I'm keeping this entire thing over here. Here. I'm filling this. Now I'll close this. This is code. Just focus on the how the filling part. Code part, step by step we have to see. If I say now also, it will be like in very you people will be in a state of confusion. Why? Because like we are going with libraries. We have not started. We have just going with demos. We have not started the classes. Just how the things are work with this filling part. These all things. Start use cases. Okay, one of the use case I want to show you. See, age fill now. Now see, df dot see, there is no missing values here. See. There is no missing value here. See. See. 0 missing values here. Previously, before filling, 177. Before filling, 177. Before filling, 177. Now I have filled that with the main part. That's why it's not there. In the same way, where median will be and where mode will be. Okay. Where median is going to use for filling the data and where mode is used for the filling the data. This is the beauty of the pandas. I've just uploaded the data file and we have seen this all things. Okay, and also this another thing where median is used means if data distribution is if data distribution is in this way, suppose right skewed or left skewed. We will fill with median. If data distribution is right skewed or left skewed means we will fill with median. Rule, there is a rule. Data, continuous data. Continuous numerical data. And that also continuous numerical data distribution is normally fill with mean. And if data is categorical, another rule. Data is categorical or discrete numerical. Discrete numerical means restricted 1, 2, 3, countable numerical. Continuous means uncountable. Uncountable. Category discrete, this we will fill with mode. Everyone knows mean, median, mode. Sum of observations by total number of observations. Mode means most repeated value. Median means middlemost number for the odd. And for even middle two numbers where the two values were the for the median part, everyone knows it. If I say that you will while I was in childhood we have studied these all things, you will be in a way like recalling that all stuff. Even I'll teach here also that, but use cases where exactly it is used, where it is used is important. How come we are using that kind of stuff in the dataset part? There's a beauty of that. Any queries till now? What we have discussed? Any queries?
No queries,
Okay. Any of you guys having any queries? Rahul, Rakesh, Akshita, Naveen, Nessar, Balaji. Nothing? Okay, fine. See. So this is about the Python part. Here it is a very free source, guys. This is a collaboratory from Google part, guys. Directly from Google. Colab is a product from Google, guys. Google product. There is a Google product. There is a Google product. This collaboratory is Google product. Even you can take this paid version also. I'll show you. You can go with paid also, but I won't suggest you to go with paid also there, but just for free we can directly use it for free. Collab Pro. Okay, we can directly use it for free, no need to go with the paid version. In companies they are going to provide you according to the companies on which they were using. Some companies were using cloud also. In cloud also you'll get this collab Jupyter notebooks will be there. Okay, It depends upon your choice which one to choose. The same in this way only. Okay. And few companies like they'll be going with Anaconda. They will be asking you to go with Jupyter. Nothing. In the same way only. But here it is using in Google RAM. Here it is using in Google RAM. But in Jupyter, if I go with Jupyter, means it is completely with our local system supported going to take. Okay, I'll suggest this. Why? Because like if we go directly with Jupyter means few systems initially while installation of the Jupyter, few systems have operating systems have crashed. That's why. Let's go with this. SSD has to be mandatory for the Jupyter part. That's why we'll go with this code. Okay. Anything else? Anything else? We have seen the and also the projects part we have seen, and also the for resume building part, in which we will target means in which we will target means will target will target the companies on the job description part. We won't be going with the same resume for each and every company. Resumes we will target according to the job description part. We will target, first of all we'll see in Naukri. After that few things will have to follow, whether that company is having their own site. In that site, is it possible to apply for the jobs or not? We'll see. If it company is allowing us for to apply from their portal, means we have to prepare the resume. We should not apply in Naukri. We have to prepare our resume according to the projects and according to the job description of that particular companies, and we have to apply. Not one resume will not be there. One resume will be for the Naukri part, and different kinds of resumes we have to prepare. N number of resumes, not only one resumes. And also, resume has to be like HRs won't have the time to. They'll be using few tools like ATS score, few tools they'll be using. For that score also will check. With that, to increase the score, what kind of keywords we have to keep. That we have to keep and we have to go with it. And then only we can target the we'll be getting in calls, screening calls. After that, the interviews were going to be scheduled. After that, like 1 2 3 or 4 interview, where we were in a position to crack one. First interview, if you're cracking first interview, means you will be lucky, guys. It only happens with the luck part. It only happens with the luck part. Okay, it different. The projects are like, it's what we were doing is like overall scenario, like you were in a position to handle this stuff for each and every domain, not only one. Every data set you were in a position to handle the data set. Not only this, if I in place of this Titanic, if I take another data set also, these were the code only. The code will not be changed. This is the code, this is the code, this is the code. Everything will be same. Code will not be changed. The techniques will not be changed. Coordinate will not be changed. Entire thing will be same. What is the difference means? The only difference is you have to be cautious with the domain knowledge. That's it. You have to be cautious with the domain knowledge. That's it. Apart from that, entire thing will be same. For different, for only Titanic data set only this code, or else like for any other hotel related data, the code will be going to be changed or not, means it's not going to happen. The code, steps, techniques, entire thing will be same, but only the data and columns you have to be cautious with. That's it. That's it. Anything else? Any queries? Any queries? What we have discussed it so far? Any queries? Duration we have I've already told, like it will be like 3 to duration will be like. And also guys, if any one of you guys were joining from the, if you guys are joining from the institute's link means, you guys are joining from the institute's link means, and if you got any link from institute means, uh, it will be fine, you can contact the management. Few people, if few people joining from the friends references, suppose few people were joining from the friends references, suppose they have to contact this number. I'll be providing you the number. This is only for the guys who were joined from the their friends who have shared them the link, for them only. And also the guys who were joined directly from management, already they'll be having this number, already they're getting this update also. Okay, contact this number. And also already we have discussed, as per our discussion, 3 demos, like demo 1, demo 2, demo 3 were completed. Just from Monday onwards, link is going to be changed, guys. Link is going to be changed, classes were going to be started. Okay, please make sure that, okay, check with management. Okay, anything else apart from this regarding this link changing and this guys who were joining from their friends and further. Okay, if you were like if you're means like, if you're having an contact with this management means, if you are not interested for this batch also, upcoming batch also, like they were in a position for you people to uh, send you the updates whenever the batches will be, like if according for the time also, like everything, each and everything. Okay, anything else?
Vera, do you have to do any certifications for data analyst course?
No need, just if you're going with the skill set, it's more than enough. Certification, no one is looking at certifications nowadays. Just how good at your how you were good at the skill set, that's it. I'm answer to your question. Hello, anything else guys? Come on Balaji. Anything else guys? Anything else you guys want me to? Akshita? Guys, anything else? I'll be waiting here for your queries part.
Yeah,
Non-IT to IT
no
also.
queries.
No queries. Non-IT to IT also, you can just only simple Python language only. I don't think that it is a burden kind of thing. It's very easy. Well, I'll be in a. It's very easy language. That's why till AI part, Python only the language which is ruling AI also. In AI also, data science, machine learning, NLP, everywhere Python only. If you start initially now with data analytics means, in future if you have a chance to move for this any data science or AI path, already you were with this Python. Means already you were learn this Python. That's why it is very easy for you people to cope up with that all stuff. Just only the libraries, logic sometimes, logic. Here in data analytics part, like reports and dashboards, not having that much writing of logic in the data analytics part. Data science also, but in for the computer vision, there in Python, like uh, huge logic we have to write in AI part. AI part, huge logic. Say Python only. Logic is different. Like if I say like Rajmouli's movies were different, and some other small director movies were different. In that way, like how you direction is the same, their profession is the same. Even I know Python, you know Python. Like for AI part, like if you're how much you're good at Python, like writing logics, logic building, that is called as that is main over there. Okay, everyone plays cricket. Why only Sachin? Why only Virat? In that way, everyone knows cricket and its direction. Why only Rajmouli and why only Sachin there? In that way, like we have to according to the logic and according to some other like hard work. Every each and every thing factor over there. Here also same. Anything else, guys? If anything else, guys who were having queries, you can stay back. If no queries, you can leave, guys. We have done with the thing, and from and also as per my instructions, from Monday onwards, the link will be changed. You have to contact management. Okay. I hope you guys were eagerly waiting for the people who have watched the Pushpa movie. They were okay, but people who were not yet seen the Pushpa movie, they were waiting for the Pushpa movie to watch. I think tomorrow weekend, right? Saturday and Sunday.
Yes, Veera, thank you so much. We'll meet you on Monday.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Your
Thank you
accent
so
was good.
much.
Your accent was good, and also you're in Telugu, guy.
Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm from Andhra.